So I am from Noyagod district of Odisha. I am graduated from Noyagod Autonomous College, Noyagod in Botany Honours. I have done my post graduation in Khalikot Unitary University in Botany.
Why you want to be civil servant?
Yes, sir. So civil service give me a diverse opportunity to serve the rural masses as well as vulnerable section of the population. Apart from it, sir, there is a diverse field I can work. That's why I opt for civil service.
Diverse field means what? What is the field?
Yes, sir. So I can work in health department, education department, agriculture department, etc.
This is your first attempt?
No, sir. This is my second attempt.
First interview?
Yes, sir.
Last time, have you cleared?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your honors was?
Botany, sir.
Botany. Then also you done PG.
Yes, sir.
Do you think you should stick to your discipline?
Sir?
Do you think you should stick to your discipline?
Yes, sir. I can do much with my discipline, but I choose civil service. But apart from my discipline, I can contribute in other areas also. That's why, sir.
What are the other area you have what are the other 5 area you will do if you become the BDO of a particular block?
Yes, sir. So first of the thing, there are various government initiatives are there, schemes are there. How these schemes will be properly implemented in my block, I will act upon it. After all, and there is public service that a video can be delivered. I could strengthen them. How they are effectively, people can directly or indirectly accessible within their stipulated time period. And rest thing is that there is developmental projects are also done by video. So I will also do better work in these areas.
What is about 3-tier system? Do you know?
Sir?
3-tier system,
Yes,
Panchayati?
sir. Yes, sir.
Can you elaborate it?
Yes, sir. Sir, in 1992, in 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act of Government of India, we have established Panchayat Raj or PRI as well as urban local body in our country. Apart from it, that PRI is in 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution of India. And in that act, we have established 29 subjects that need to that the Panchayat.
It is in which place?
Sir?
It is placed in which place? 29 subjects?
29, 243G, sir.
In the constitution?
Yes,
which
sir.
schedule?
Sir, it is 11th schedule, sir.
Okay.
Then sir, according to our DPSP, Article 14 also mandates the government to establish Panchayat Raj institution of her
How
country.
the knowledge of botany can help you in administration?
Yes, sir. Sir, botany is especially scientific study of the plants. By studying botany, we can know about various benefits of the plants also. So I can utilize this also in sustainable development goals in administration. How we balance development as well as the ecological balance. I can directly, and as well as I can also tell the people the benefits of planting trees. I can do, sir. And apart from it, sir, I can also strengthen the reforestation.
How photosynthesis is done?
Yes, sir. Sir, photosynthesis is done green plants, especially the plants having chlorophyll molecule. They extract
only green plant does photosynthesis?
Yes, sir. Especially those plants have chlorophyll molecule in between them. They are capable of
chlorophyll molecule.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Green plants absorbs water from the soil, CO2, then CO2 from the atmosphere in presence of sunlight. They do the photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll molecule. They give rise to C6 H12O6 plus C6.
If there is no chlorophyll,
yes,
photosynthesis will take place or not?
Sir, in presence of chlorophyll, photosynthesis will happen.
Chlorophyll is present in which place?
Sir?
Chlorophyll is present in where?
Sir, chlorophyll is present mostly in the leaf of the plant, in the cell.
Which part of leaf?
Upper part of the leaf, mostly, where sunlight directly.
No, in botanical term you tell me. This is not upper part. In some plant also there is lower part is there chlorophyll.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In brown leafy plant, chlorophyll is seen or not?
No, sir. Plastid is seen, not chlorophyll. Sir, plastid is of 3 types.
No, I am not asking about plant. Photosynthesis is done there in not. in brown plant?
I'll look into this, sir.
Do you know
Down.
granula?
Sir?
Granula.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
The granula is present in the plastid, sir. Plastid, where photosynthesis happen. Mostly light reaction happen in granule.
Okay.
You are from Noyagar.
Yes, sir.
Noyagar is famous for?
Sir, Noyagar is famous for delicious sweet chenapod.
Two temples, important temples of Noyagar country.
Yes, sir. Sir, Lodukeswara Mahesh temple, Lodu Baba temple in Saranpur, and Rama Mandir is temple in Odogan, where 45 kgs of gold is there in the upper part of the temple.
Your optional subject is public administration and genetics.
Sir?
Genetics and cytogenetics.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, genetics is study about how the genes are transferred, characteristics are transferred from one generation to that of other generation. But cytogenetics are studying, specially study of in cell there is cytology. There are various cell organelles are there, mitochondria is there, plastid are there. They also carry some kind of genetic material. Studying that part is known as cytogenetics.
What was your special paper?
Sir, actually in
you don't have thesis.
No, sir. No,
only
sir.
Special paper. And
no, sir. No, sir. It's general. So it is mentioned in that write to 3 paper. That's why I wrote three of them.
MSc general universities, particularly they have some special papers, and just they give some of the that is thesis like that. But
no, sir. We don't have any special paper like that.
All subjects.
Yes, sir. All paper.
Biochemistry was there.
No, sir. Yes, sir. One of the
Paper was biochemistry. Have you heard carbohydrate?
Yes, sir.
How many types of carbohydrates are there?
Sorry, sir. I'm unable to recall this.
Protein?
Yes, sir.
You don't know.
I'm unable to recall actually. I'm weak at.
Have you heard nitrogen fixation?
Yes, sir. Like nitrogen fixation actually occurs in the leguminous plants. Then in their root nodules, nitrogen fixation happens.
Why?
Sir, actually these species cannot synthesize protein themselves. So nitrogen fixating bacteria helps them nitrogen fixation, especially in the root nodule, because plants are actually.
Nodules, why nodules fix nitrogen?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually leguminous plants cannot directly absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere.
What is present in the legume?
Yes, sir. Nodules, this type of bacteria are actually fixes nitrogen from the atmosphere in the root nodules. That's why in the root nodules.
What is present in the nodule?
Sorry, sir.
What are those bacteria?
Sir, ribose. One of the bacteria is.
You just tell me the group.
Yes, sir.
How many types of nitrogen fixation is there?
Sir, two types: aerobic nitrogen fixation.
Aerobic.
Aerobic and as well as anaerobic is there. One is presence of oxygen, another is absent of oxygen.
Then
This is, sir, I am unable to recall.
symbiotic and non-symbiotic.
No, sir, this is also a classification.
Okay. Forestry.
Yes, sir. Sir, agroforestry specially means planting the trees along the sides of our fields. This is known as agroforestry. This is one of the part of social forestry.
What is the difference between social forestry and agroforestry?
Sir, social forestry is of different type, such as agroforestry, community forestry, as well as farm forestry. Agroforestry basically means planting of the trees along the side of the fields, known as agroforestry.
And Noyagar green gram is famous.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because of its taste, sir, unique taste.
That is a layman's word.
Yes, sir.
Anyway.
Sir, presently, according to Minister of Information and Broadcasting, notified the Netflix content creator that two of the terrorists, those who are involved in Kandahar hijack, they named it as Bhola and Shankar. So,
Okay, got it.
thank you, sir.
Achha, tell me, in some African country, due to food crisis, the government has decided to kill more than 200 elephant. Do you aware about this?
No, sir, I'm not aware.
It is a newspaper yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Achha, tell me, Arthashastra. Okay. Which idea of Arthashastra you found still relevant? Any one or two idea?
Yes, sir. Sir, Arthashastra is written by Chanakya. So in that Chanakya, we can know various things, just like sir, unity of command. That presently also renews today. Sir, another thing is that centralization, which is presently at that time, Munachal time also king was a centralized authority.
Okay.
Then after that, sir, Chanakya at that time discussed about 40 types of corruptions are there that are still in our present. This is also relevant today.
Any definition you remember?
Corruption.
Corruption. Chanakya's idea.
So yes, sir. So when you put, sir, yes, sir. Sir, we cannot know when a fish drinks water. Like that only, we cannot. We never. We. It is difficult to know how a civil servant indulges in corruption.
Good. Acha, do you think polity administration dichotomy given by whom?
Sir, political. Sir, it's Woodrow Wilson. Sir, Republic.
In present context, is it relevant dichotomy?
Sir, in presently there is a not dichotomy. There is although public administration has a separate discipline is there. There is also practice. We are also practicing, but there is in new right philosophy there is a not dichotomy. There is fusion, sir.
Fusion.
Yes, sir.
Acha, civil service anonymity is also known as what?
Sir, civil service anonymity.
Anonymity
Yes,
is also known as.
sir, civil servant anonymity, sir, behind the curtain. A civil servant.
That is that, but that is ministerial. What? Civil service anonymity is known as ministerial responsibility.
Ministerial. Yes, sir.
Acha, tell me just shortly, what is the outcome of NPA, New Public Administration? Just 2-3 outcome. Tell me.
Sir, the outcome of new public administration is that, sir, relevance, value, equity, and change.
Acha, good. Acha, Minobrook second relevance.
Yes,
Outcome of Minobrook second.
Yes, sir. Sir, Minobrook second also headed by Waldo. Do it, Waldo. It also talks about cutback management, rollback of the states. It also talks about, sir.
Acha, who headed Minobrook third?
Sir, Rosemary O'Leary headed of Syracuse University.
Acha. So, what is administrative law?
Yes, sir. Sir, administrative yes, sir. Administrative law related to the structure and function and various dispute related to administration. For administration making themselves efficient. After yes, sir. That's it. That is.
Acha, in India, we practice rule of law or administrative law?
Sir, in India we have rule of law, sir.
Acha, rule of law. Rule of law meaning?
Yes, sir. Sir, rule of law means each and we have. Sir, rule of law means each and everything what the laws are there in our country. It must be abided by the Constitution of India.
Acha, good. What is new public service approach?
Yes, sir. Sir. Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall.
Acha. Okay, so as a video, you what? Suppose my question is your first posting as a video.
Yes, sir.
So you reach there, you join as a video. What type of authority you held at that time?
Sir, legal national authority.
Legal national authority. Okay, legal national authority bureaucracy.
Yes, sir.
Do you have at the time positional authority or acceptance view of authority or functional authority?
Sir, when firstly this is my sir, my positional view of authority, sir.
Positional authority.
My position, sir.
Acha. Acha, is it possible in bureaucracy that we found acceptance view of authority?
Yes, sir. If when a newly someone is appointed to a particular position, that is position. But if a particular bureaucrat, and there are also various examples are there. They are doing various kinds of good works for the society. Where then acceptance of view of authority is
Thank you.